Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
The underhood fuse panel is located here on the driver's side. There's two push locks at the edge, so I use two hands. Unclip it and then lift it off. And on the inside, so it actually tells you with an arrow to the front. So this is the fuse panel layout. So it matches the fuse panel if you're looking at it straight down. This is the same layout. So if you were looking for the, say the auto amp, so that would be the stereo amp, 20 amp, and you'll find it, 20 amp fuse right here. So whatever you're looking for, say if you're looking for the horn relay, it's going to be this one right here. This will match that. It also has, there are some spare fuses located on the inside if you do happen to blow a fuse. And this little white piece here is a fuse pulling tool. So say we want to pull that 20 amp fuse because it's blown, you just squeeze it over it, then pull it right out. I don't have a spare 20 amp here, but you'd pull it out of here. It's probably missing. And then you'd reinstall it. You can actually use the tool to help you reinstall it. Get it lined up. Go in with a little bit of force. And once it's lined up, you can take that tool off and just make sure it's in there. And then of course, put the tool back, and reinstall the cover, and you're all set. The interior fuse panel is located on the driver's side, just above your left knee. So pull this little door down, pops in place, and you can actually snap it off. Just unclips. And then if we turn this around, the fuse panel is inside here. This, again, when you're looking right at it, matches up with your fuse diagram here. So if you're looking for the cigarette lighter, which is actually, it's marked as cigar lighter here, or your 12 volt plug, they would be in the, so this one is in the second row. It's a 10 amp fuse, so it's this red fuse right here. And then your 20 amp, sorry, your 12 volt plug for charging phones has a 20 amp fuse. So that's right here. If you need to replace that, you can go get the tool from under the hood, pull it out, replace your 20 amp fuse, and that would be all set. So typically, that's the reason, so that the outlets for charging phones have a higher amp fuse. This one would be for lighting cigarettes or cigars. That's why they're a larger size. That's why their cigarette lighters are such an odd size. They're actually designed for cigars. You could replace that 10 amp fuse, but it's most likely that might actually blow if you put a phone charger in there because it's designed for much lower amperage. Of course, there's like tail lamps, blower motor, fog light, washer. So if you've got an electrical issue, you should always go here and check the fuses first. Reinstall the cover, just clip it back into place, and then lift it up and push it in.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1AAuto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.